happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Yeah.
Hello YouTube, welcome to another video, and today we're doing a bungalow tour. Come on in. So as you can hear from the seagulls outside, we've purchased a property near the seaside. This is a 2-bedroom bungalow which we are going to use as a house stroke flip project. Now first of all I'm going to walk you around the house and then we'll go on to look at the numbers, the exciting part. Come on through to bedroom number 2. So as mentioned, this is bedroom 2, or also my office. It's currently being destroyed, we've ripped up all the plaster and we're going to be putting it back together shortly. Now this is the main bedroom, which is currently got a lot of stuff in it because we're trying to live and work around the mess that is going on in the other rooms. But this is the main bedroom. Behind me we've got a large amount of built-in wardrobes. We're going to take these out, completely remodel the room like you've seen we've started with the other room, and make this a really nice master suite. Hello again. So as you can see, this is the bathroom, decent size, perfectly livable like the other rooms that you've seen, and it's ideal for the fact that we are going room by room in this project, so that means we can still live with this and then update it in the future. So we're basically just going to strip it out, completely retile it, bath, shower, the full works. Let's move on. So the sitting room isn't the largest of rooms, it's perfectly snug and a nice room, but it's something that we plan to slightly alter with our extension in the future. But on the back of the sitting room you can also see that there is a conservatory which was added on by the previous owners. So another one of these beautiful doors which I do really love secretly, but they are going to have to go. So the kitchen, yet again, another good sized room, but not something we're looking to keep as it is. It's perfectly livable. It's obviously been updated within previous years, but it's not our style, not the taste of something we'd want to put on the market. And again, with our plans, which I'll show you shortly, we are looking to extend out the back and create a large kitchen, dining, sitting room. So on the back of the bungalow is a porch, which at some point has been added and provides a bit of room for storage, washing machine, fridge, freezer, so on. But apart from that, and aside from that, it's not particularly useful, or it doesn't really add value. So again, this will come down and we'll be looking to extend out the back of the property here. Follow me down to the garage.
My heart hurts from this pain, cause you don't even know that you're trapped in. My enemy is to blame, and you don't even know.
So a really decent length garage, about 1.5 times length. It's also had a new roof added within recent years, so we won't be doing much here apart from working out, of course, in our homemade gym. Quality door this.
What happened? Trying to do the right thing. I warned you, you said I know. You didn't know that what you think is good.
So for clarity, we've purchased this property as a home and a flip. That means we moved in, we're going to do the property up and then sell it on. And contrary to popular beliefs and messages and comments that I've received, you can do both. It is possible. You don't have to do one or the other. And in this instance, there's a couple of benefits, which is, first of all, we've managed to make use of the stamp duty tax holiday relief, meaning we pay £0 stamp duty to move into this property. And when we sell the property, as we've lived in it, it means we'll pay no or £0 capital gains tax. Now, I also want to add that we've had no help purchasing this bungalow. We bought it ourselves through hard work and effort. No inheritance payouts, no gifted deposits, but through hard work, we've managed to buy and afford this bungalow. Now going forward, we're going to do as much work as possible ourselves, but with the help of friends and family, of course. And then for any of the more skilled work like plastering, electricals, plumbing, and of course the foundations and extension, we'll get in skilled tradespeople, and then I'll take over after that to try and do as much as possible to save costs. Now looking at the numbers, we've estimated a £40,000 to £45,000 refurb. And this is a large range because we are still waiting for detailed plans and extension quotes. But to give a rough idea, we imagine we'll come in at the £40,000 to £45,000 mark. So if we look at a purchase price which was just over 290,000, we then have a refurb cost of around 45,000 To get into the property in solicitors' fees and stamp duty, we paid about £1,500, and then we've got about 12 months of mortgage payments ahead of us at least, which comes in at about £9,000. Going forward, when we sell the property, we'll then have solicitors' fees and an estate agent fee, which will approximately come in at about £5,000, leaving us a total cost of £350,500. That's our all-in cost, and we hope to sell in the region of 395 or 400 to 425. Now I know what you're thinking. 350 grand is a large cost to only make 50 to 75,000 pounds profit. However, it's important to remember that we've only put down a 25% deposit, which is approximately £70,000, and we're only spending about 45 grand on the refurb plus the fees. Obviously there are worse deals out there, and obviously there's better deals out there, but this is a fantastic opportunity to live where we want, learn lots about a refurb process, and also make some money. Now we're incredibly lucky to have purchased this property in the centre of this town, meaning that we're in a really convenient location, only 5 to 7 minute walk to the town centre, yet we're in a close, which means it's incredibly quiet and sought after. Now scenario one, we're going to be looking at leaving this bungalow very much as it is, as a 2-bedroom bungalow, where we extend out the back and create an incredibly large kitchen, dining, sitting room under permitted development. And this would make a really nice luxury bungalow targeting the professional market, the young professional couples, much like ourselves maybe, who want a nice property in a good central location. Or equally, we could target an older couple, perhaps looking to settle down into retirement with a really nice property close to the town centre. Now scenario two, I don't have the full numbers on yet because we haven't yet had the quotes done, but this would be to fully utilise the bungalow by going up into the loft again under permitted development and adding a further 2 bedrooms and possibly a bathroom. This would make this into a 4-bedroom property with a really lovely garden and extension on the back, and of course we would manage to eke out as much possible profit out of the property as well. Now we're currently weighing up our options as to whether we go for option 1 or option 2, and a large part of it will come down to the financial side of things, but of course the amount of profit we can make from it as well. Luckily we can get started without having to wait or make a decision, because we're just starting on the front half of the bungalow, and then we can make the decision in the upcoming weeks. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's lots of exciting things coming in the future, and I'll of course be putting out updates over the upcoming weeks and months. If you've got a question, put it in the comments box below, share this video with a friend, and I'll see you very soon.
Good could make you die slow. Deception at its finest. Acceptance to a bind us. Affection to a blind us. And neglection of his highness.